Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Firmamento knot. That's the Italian word for firmament. So let's go ahead and get started. 2 ties. For this one, as usual, both of them are at the belt line, so on the left side. So we're going to come over here. We're just going to put in a dimple here or a pinch, bring it over to the center. We're going to come up and over like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the top tie, which is the dark one. We're going to move that over there. We're going to bring the bottom tie around. I'm going to fold it down like this. Come around like that. Then we're just going to bring this one down. Just leave it straight like that. And then we're going to come across. We're going to do the same thing. Come around like this. I'm going to come down like this. And then we have that. All going over this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold this one in half and then bring it around like so and then tuck it underneath here like this. So we have that going. So we have that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half . And go down like that. This is folded in half and goes through here. Put that up through there. This goes across, folded in half like so. And then I'm just going to put this straight through here, not folding it in half at all. But then it'll fold it, and then fold it in half. It'll kind of already naturally fold in half. Then I'm just going to come up like this. Let's put the collar down. And tuck those ties underneath there. So there you have the Firmamento knot. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials for the picture. Again, on your time, my friends, you're fearfully, wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. We'll tuck that underneath there. Peace and God bless, guys.